Seán de Paor mar a d'ir sin bhíos mar príomhide in nGael scoil Dara ar feadh fecha cahar bliain Dara meas nuirí trísna blianta úntacha sin agus an sin formé postpart-aimseach le Glór nGael ar hintáirigh agus inis sin job go príomhide tágam ná a bheith cabhrú le corcan cína Gaeilge i measc clubna de chuid an Cumanú Clas Gael i Meitheal clia agus i Dara. Agus is job úntacha can mé rá go buint antanabas. Díreach bhí meid smaoine bhar na seachtainna bert ógánach as Dara a bhí méil an fóbal a na seachtainna mar ar an déirdín buniú agras nua i Meitheal clia Dara bhanam dó bura agus a bhair a beidir meid sima got is agras é atá díire ar lucht gnó agus líonra de bhuiine úsáid an Gaeilge mar chud dá mó agus duine des na hí caintóirí bhíonn sin ná Aisling Quinn iarscoileáir de chuid Gaelcholáiste Dara agus tá cólacht ag bunathe ag Aisling Dara bhanam video rank mé sílam agus tá anará irí. So sin scéal úntaach go bhfuil an tagras sin bunathe ceapan go raibh sé ar siúl an luha maid an déirdíine bíon lucht gnó ina sig luha. So leithreachtar sé seach maid an déirdíine bhúil si lena chéile i gcathair Meitheal clia céad duine agus bhí sé díalt amach. Agus an duine eile bhí a méil an phobal i rina seachtainna béad go bhaca sé bhéh ná Mark McLaughlin agus tá sruthna teanga ag Mark trasna in Gáilibh Seanna Airfort atá as atá as feiminis. So tá sruthna teanga seolda gáinis deirtear gur spéiris úntaach é. So go náir lá siúd bert as Dara go má. So just go han topic bhí mé ag cabh súil siar is gohann an beagnach 10 bliain ó hin i mí bealtainna 1980 gur seachtainna Gaeilge gona ag an am sin i Dara agus gur agríomh sráid de rathaithe a dumpar lócrann na Gaeilge ó Gaeltach Drá Cairn go dtí Cairn ó Dara agus las siad tinine na Gaeilge an sin in san baile. Agus an ihe sin bhí ceolcurm bhí clanad ag seint agus bhí uachtarán an conartha Julian Allen Albert Fry agus leabhar Albert Lynn agus dúirt sé nuair a bhíonn sesin ag siúil na seáidna mé ferste nuair a bhíonn Gaeilge á leabhartaige go maithíonn sé séir. Agus chuir sé sin úna ar a lándaoine cén fáil go ruirt sé é agus go háirithe cén fáil go ruirt sé le muintear Dara. Bud is tócha féach an siar bhí sé ag rá é sin tuis gur ranig an pobl an teanga an sin mar cosint ins na cúnsí úfásca bhí ar siúil ag an am an ferste i meas an triblódí is meas ar fad gur thiontaigh siad i dro na teanga chun cosanta áil agus chun carú leo. Sinna bhí gceiste sílam. Just tascin go faoi bhrú a hebh amide a chub na héana agus má bhean cuairt ar Copenhagen an taptain Chicatia. Agus cén fáil go racha an sin déartha an áid is fuaire agus is flucha in san Eorp. Ach taide tagann sé amach go bhfuil na daoine sin an sonna. Agus is léir bhfuil cúpla cúis le sin is tócha ceannachá ná ní léon cáranna sa chathair bhfuil fíormhí gan cáranna ar ruthar an tamar fad. Ach freisin go bralo a deanga dúchas agus is bralo an clán ríige tá banrín an banrín Margaret. Agus bhúil maclaí an Prince of Frederick le ban san Austrán ar bhí sé freastal ar na Olympica an sin hit sé an rá le hí fós sé agus bhí muinte na danmhairige bhí siad in áras bhí seo sort cén fáil bhfuil sé pósta duine ón taobh mu. So an ruidir rinne an bhain sin Mary Dandleson an Hanamateri dagam siad danmhairigis sular leabhar sí le aon duine agus an sin bailú na slútaí strapaíon Cairn over Copenhagen agus leabhar sí danmhairigis líf ar feadh 35 nóiméad dur gachtain is háta go brean is tá fáilte rót agus tá gairí ganúnta lé mar banfin sa bheith sí ina banmí stocha. Go maith taí.
So, based on the painted down for Royal Merlin, just to go on Danielle, just to paint down.
Okay, I happened to visit Copenhagen in the last week or so, and every people, I suppose, every nationality has their values, but they particularly are fond of their royal family. And the prince, who's the king in waiting, married a commoner. She's an Australian from a Scottish background, and before she met the people, she learned Danish, and they love their language. Like 90% of Danish people can speak fluent English, but they never would dream of speaking it amongst themselves. They speak Danish all the time among themselves. So she spoke for 35 minutes to the gathering in Danish, so after that she's well in with them. So I think that the Danish people is bralo tanga ac is bralo much na herin a down freshen. So mar a dúirt Caroline níos luithe bhí si caint thar ceann Saláin. Rinne cúpla cumann de chuid an cumann luachlas scéal an seo sa chundé survey ins na seachtaí atá in Haran anish. So this is a survey that was carried out in the past couple of weeks, and in fact one of them, the 2 Mile House, is still ongoing. So a number of questions were asked, but in Cape Town, Kivid Gaeilge Talgot. Okay, so just kind of Yenov Shimpli and Quid Gorum Shin Nilain Gaeilge. Okay, so the blue section is for people who responded saying that they have no Irish. These are members of 2 GA clubs in Kildare, the Salons GA club and 2 Mile House. Solon Clay agus Chachan Vila. So Gachtim Ella, Shakas and Gorham, Tarquaige Eigenaka. So it's a very positive response that so many people said that they had Irish of varying degrees and varying degrees of fluency, but Tarquaige Eigenaka. So Kate Canada. So in Kate Kestella, Kate Kominik Agzusaiden to Gaige. How often do you use Irish? Shadini Igil Dara. Okay? So if I can do Anrud Corkra and Canis Mo, never. Okay? Nivisaiden she Gaelge Riv. So Tasmanish Shin doing Goel Wadni Smodini like Gaelge na a Targuside Gaelge. So if you point to dent in this Luya sort and Duhulan a Targuni now the Deshna Querfall done a Dini Shin Gaelge alert. So Kid can almost die. Seán Ceann is jar for your father, and Rudita Anna Huntasach na Goel and Dog Club na Saláin agus Chachan Vila Co Cosul and Nnghel, that the results from the surveys in the 2 clubs are so similar. Okay, the surveys were administered completely separately, and as Phelan McCullum Buikas go all Caroline Atashi and Shaw Kurshi on Ober is Chachan survey in Saláin. But Dirt and Maid Shin Shaska Nefon Gate as Niekoman Kate down and Shin Dai. Shaska Nefon Car. 69% and 69.4% of the respondents said that they would like the Irish language to have a more prominent role within the club. Gná Dini, Gná Building Club, not these respondents weren't picked in any particular way, they're just ordinary members of the club. Kate Canada, so the Seán of Yoga agus Tassim will brew have amid, but Candace na 30 is similar now, and really call you to the qualitative results where people were allowed to make suggestions or comments, and Tashid Ani Yarfa, Rudy Kasula, good stuff and keep up the good work. But while I'm there, Porchuk, a planetary Achbrahan Share and Am of Yoki Gesht, Rudy Marshin. There's a lot of Gael School children in the club who are fluent Irish speakers. It'd be great for them to have their language acknowledged. Shin te Kianawan atan shin adere she being she kind fui Berle is far very gevrischte na Berle Kliste. I was Kubla Frager Vishdera. The club is an inclusive club that welcomes people from different backgrounds and different nationalities, and to be careful not to exclude those. So it's important that that's taken into account as well. The will fall to Rompa. I was Gominnik Medini Haganis Chakadi and Cheer or here Ellen or Cool Ella Tashtigiri and Gerga Haran Tastinu Marquet and culture of Father of this Vader. So okay, just matter like learning Yale and my first. Just Matadini Giri Portugal it's the Himaki Atalgani. Togami Dantas the Guini, I was coon of the group Atalig fine with Mark Canary Pubble, a Hagen talk in a chamber. So in instant fundúireacht mar hapla an rud a bhuiine leis an Cumann Class scale, the part of the organisation which focuses on the GAA. We now have 154 clubs registered this year already, and Hannah Féin Tommy Trish €3,000,000 of runner in Neontas. We can support clubs' initiatives. If, for example, a club wanted to organise an event and had expenses pertaining to that, or if they wanted to give, like Mullen, Marhampla, Nasnari, Cumlu Class scale, Nasnari, Talon, Fogri, nGael, Connick Shavit, Apneal Sheets and Egg, Club and Ella. Damari Garev Club, Egiri, Fogri, nGael, a Canna, Nua, All Dente, Tal Glór nGael, Oxen Fundur, Soster, Carolo. Oxen Chin, Tal Jascara Della, Kamena, Tasha Am, the grouping Nua. We Seamus O Canon of Kindness Lugia, Tal Group and Nua Bonahe, a Ganter, Kildara, Agus, no Sublention, Glór and Corriger, which are in Dal Arch. Agus is Agrese, Chunskan of the groupie Tal Tussiwamak. Agus in Chinton Comortus Fain, Agus Cogardigus Moor, the Sultan Salon Vuig, Sultan Salon Galhuish in San Comortus Nashunta and Uri, Muradaram, Tugan, Glór nGael, Ahantis, the Guini, Ata, Frastal and Bubble, Trigaide, August Tassagum Gwil, Sultan Salonic Innovation, Martasha Fekigum, August Mulla Moor, Duldoiv, Pogardigas live, August Gurmila Mahagav, as Ligandum Larpin.